Most female dinosaurs probably laid their eggs in soft dirt nests. Some sat on their eggs, keeping them warm until they hatched. Other dinosaur mothers carefully covered their eggs for protection with plants, sand, and dirt, creating small mounds. The coverings also kept the eggs warm. When the eggs hatched, many kinds of hatchlings could live on their own right away. God, that would have been nice for you. You've been able to take care of yourself as soon as you were born. Did you do that? No way, you needed Mama and Bobby. You don't wanna?
Yeah, I want both of you.
I love you. Stupid lip ring. Still, other dinosaur mothers took care of their young until the hatchlings were strong enough to live on their own. What are they doing? Is that a rock?
No, that's a lunch.
Oh, it's lunch? Oh, there's berries and leaves and stuff, huh? Look it, what are they doing?
They're doing that.
No, they're hatching
Yeah, they're happy.
out of the eggs, and they're already big, walking all around.
Yeah.
Were you able to walk right when you were born?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, birds! Oh, birds! They're regular birds.
Yeah.
Birds are descendants of dinosaurs. That means that birds come from dinosaurs. Like, without dinosaurs, there would be no birds. Look at that bird has teeth and a beak.
What? Did you do that? Did you do that?
Should I spread out my wings?
Yeah. No.
Pretend.
No. Did you do that?
Can I have
That?
claws and have... Oh, you want me to draw it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll draw that tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, that would be fun.
Yeah.
Want to make it with construction paper?
And do that. And wings.
Yeah.
And make it big and yellow.